Most people panic the moment they see a Freecash account banned message. They assume it is permanent or that they lost everything. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, bans are triggered by simple violations or system flags that can sometimes be reviewed or even prevented in the future. In this video, you will learn exactly why Freecash accounts get banned in 2026, how to check if your ban can be fixed, and what steps you can take to avoid losing your earnings again. Let's start with the most common reason: policy violations. Freecash works with advertisers, and they have strict rules. If Alex uses VPNs, fake information, or multiple accounts, the system can instantly flag the account. Even small inconsistencies can trigger an automatic ban. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users don't realize that even normal behavior can look suspicious. For example, switching devices too often or completing offers too quickly can sometimes trigger fraud detection systems. It does not always mean you did something wrong, but the system becomes cautious. But here's the problem most users face. They try to continue using the same habits that caused the ban in the first place. That never works. You need to understand the trigger and adjust behavior moving forward. Let's break down what you should do immediately after a ban. First, check your email linked to Freecash. In many cases, you will receive a reason for the suspension. This helps you understand whether it is temporary, permanent, or under review. Second, if your account is under review, contact Freecash support with clear details. Be honest and simple. Explain what you were doing and ask for clarification. Jake, for example, once got flagged for unusual activity, just because he changed Wi-Fi networks frequently. Support clarified it and restored limited access. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake users make when trying to recover banned accounts that actually reduces their chances of reinstatement. Third, avoid creating new accounts immediately. This is one of the fastest ways to get permanently banned across all accounts, because the system links devices and fingerprints. Now let's talk about prevention. Always use real information when signing up. Avoid VPNs while completing offers. Stick to one device. And complete offers at a natural pace instead of rushing through them. Another important point is offer compliance. If an offer requires installing an app and reaching a certain level, make sure you complete it exactly as instructed. Partial completion can sometimes be flagged as invalid behavior. So here is the final breakdown. Most Freecash bans happen due to VPN usage, multiple accounts, suspicious activity patterns, or offer violations. Some bans are permanent, but some are reviewable depending on the situation. Here are the key takeaways. Stay away from VPNs. Use real information. Follow offer rules carefully. Avoid multiple accounts. And contact support immediately if your account is flagged. If this helped you understand your situation, like the video, comment what happened with your account, and subscribe for more honest guides that help you avoid mistakes and protect your earnings.